Logged in to the dashboard of WordPress. So this is your WordPress dashboard from where we are going to control our website and we are going to design our website. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, very important thing. When you click, this is your site name, and when you hover on this, you'll find this. So you need to click on the right side and open in new tab. Okay, so this is your dashboard, this is your back end, and this is your front end. Here nothing is there, it's very plain. So we are going to design our site. You don't need to be worried because it is going to be very easy. It's very simple. It's just a job for drag and drop. I don't need this, I can cancel this. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to setting. In the setting, we need to go to permalinks. Then in the permalinks, we need to click on post, then save changes, then go to appearance and click on theme, click on add new, then search for Astra. This is Astra theme. I've already installed. Then after installation, you need to click on install, then you need to click on activate. Okay, so I have already installed it and I have already, you can see I have already installed it and I have already activated it. So once I can close this, and as I have already, now go back to dashboard, and from here I can go to appearance. Then as I told you, I've already installed Astra theme, so I can see Astra options and Astra starter sites. So I can go on Astra starter sites, and here I can type interior designer. So this is the theme which I want. Now this is fully working website. We are going to import this site to make our own site. Okay, so you need to click import site. It will take 4-5 minutes, depends on the speed of the computer. This process can take anywhere between 2 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the website and the speed of the connection. Hope everything is going easy and simple, and there you don't need to have any coding knowledge. Normally to make all these sites, people are already charging more than $2,000 to $3,000, and people are already paying $1,000 to $4,000, $5,000, because these things are creative, and software engineer and the web developer, and there are so many agencies, they are charging to design all this kind of a website. But trust me guys, once you start making website, once you make your website, you can, I mean to say, if you are not happy with your current job or you don't have time to design your website, so you can import these ready-made design, and you just need to change the elements and contents and photographs, and you can start selling, and people will contact you and you can generate the business. In next coming video, I'm going to teach you, once your website is ready, I will be giving you and teaching you. I will be posting the video how to promote your website, how to get business, how to generate more traffic on your business, on your website. So these things nowadays are becoming very easy, and you can do business, you can generate good business, you can make money, because everything is going to be online. And if you see the just importance of the internet and all these things, technology, the world has become a global village, and you can do business all over the world. It's very easy. Now import is completed, so we have done it. We can click here. Okay guys.